Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of converting units. This is standard 4.8b in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 21 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So the table shows numbers of feet and the equivalent numbers of inches, right? So 3 feet equals 36 inches, 5 feet equals 60 inches, 8 feet 96 inches, 10 feet equals 120 inches. So Lionel painted a wall that was 12 feet long. So I don't have 12 feet, but if I were to put it on my chart, it would go down there. I need to find how many inches long it is. Okay, so the number of feet are not necessarily increasing by 1, so I can't necessarily find a pattern there. They are actually going up by 2. Look at this, plus 2, plus 3. Nope. I was about to say we could find a pattern going up and down, but it's not consistent there. All right. So here are a few different options we can look at. First, we have our mathematics chart, right? So we could say on a mathematics chart, we see conversion 1 foot equals 12 inches. It's not written in the problem, but it is on your mathematics chart. Okay, so I've got 12 feet, so I can just draw a little strip diagram. And I could say, all right, here are my 12 feet. Okay, and let me see if I can draw that correctly. Pretend those are even. All right, and those are my 12 feet. And inside each of these feet, I've got 12 inches, because that's how long each of these feet are. So I've got 12 inches all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's chop that into 12 feet. Okay, once again, pretend that those are even. So there's my strip diagram. So I've got 12 sets of 12. So I can either add up 12 times, or I could just do multiplication, right? And if you have your 12s memorized, that's great. If not, you can always do 2 by 2 multiplication. So let me see, that's going to be 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. Second row, it's just times 1, so I just write the numbers down. So I've got 144. All right, so I see that answer right there is A. So what else could we do if we didn't want to draw that strip diagram? Well, it is a table. So think of this as like your input and your output. Okay. So I went from 3 up to 36. All right, so I can either add or I could multiply, right? So let's add 3 plus something makes 36. All right, so a related fact, it's going to be 36 minus 3 equals that something, that's going to be 33. All right, so possibility could be plus 33 is my rule. So does 5 plus 33 equal, makes 38, but it should make 60. Okay, so it's not addition. So if I want to get bigger and I don't want to add, I can always multiply. So 3 times something is going to equal 36. Need to know my facts, even though I just know my tens. I might have worked up to my 12s. That is 3 times 12. Let's see, does 5 times 12 make 60? Yes. And does 8 times 12 make 96? I could work that out 2 by 1, but yes, it does. All right, so then it would be 12 times 12, which is what we ended up doing. But it's just another way of finding out that it's a multiply by 12. Either way you get it, your answer is going to be that same 144A.